Hello students, we'll continue with the rational number exercise, that is chapter 1. So now what is the question 5? So we'll start the first question 5. We have in the previous class we have solved, that is question number 5 part 1, and this is exercise 1.2. So we have solved question 1 and 2. Here we start solving 1 by 4. That is the third one. Question 5, third one. So given question is 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. So we'll start here. The solution. 1 by 4. Find the rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. 1 by 4 I'll start. Therefore, here 2 is there, 4 is there. We'll just make the denominator equal by multiplying this one by 2. We get, that is 2 and 8 we'll get. Next number is 1 by 2. We multiply this by 4 by 4, making the denominator same. Therefore, we get 4 and 8. Therefore, how many numbers are there between 2 by 8 and 4 by 8? There is only one number between these two. So in the question they are given to find 5 rational numbers. So what to do? We have to next multiply this numerator and the denominator by 4. We take the next number, take this, that is 2 by 8 into 4 by 4. What we get? That is 8 by 32. Next take this number, this one, again take this number, 4 by 8 into 4 by 4. Since if we multiply by 2 by 2, we won't get the 5 numbers. So in order to get this, we have to multiply by 4. Since they are asked by 5 numbers, we make even if we multiply by 5 also, 5 we get more numbers. So it is better to multiply by 4. So 4 into 4, here we get 16 by 32. We find how many numbers are between these two. So 8 it is starting. So 8 means next number is 9 by 32. Next number 10 by 32. 11 by 32. 12 by 32. 13 by 32. This is the last number. These are the 5 rational numbers between the number 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. So this is the solution for the 8th third question. Now we can move on to the question 6. What is the question 6? They have asked us to write 5 rational numbers greater than 2, greater than minus 2. So I'll just write down, so greater than 2, I'll just write down the number line. So what is the number line? See this one. So this is a number line. I'll write the number line. This is, consider this is the number line. So here what they have done, what we have to do is, this is 0. This is, they have asked less than, we have to greater than 2, we have to greater than minus 2. So here start with this 0. Here what we get? Minus of we get. Next number is minus 1. Next is, according to this, 1.5 can be written as, that is 1.5 can be written as, that is 3 by 2, this one. So this is 3 by 2. Then here of 1 and this 1.5 is also considered as 1.5 and 1.5 can be written as 3 by 2. This can be written as 3 by 2. Then next is minus 2. So this is half 1, this is 1.5, then 2. So next we move on to this side. This starts with of and 1. Greater than minus 2 means any number. So therefore we start from here. Therefore first number is, that is minus, this is minus, that is 1.5 or 1.5 can be written as minus 3 by 2. Next is, that is minus 1. next is minus of, next one is 0. Then we consider, we finished 4 numbers here, this until 0. Then we want 1 2 3 4, 0 is also considered. Then we need that how much there was, 0 and off. So these are the 5 rational numbers between, means less, greater than, that is minus 2. So this is for question 6. So we see the question 3. Question 3 also what they have asked. So I'll explain that also. We have already written, but we have solved this, but I'll show on the number line. See, this is the number line. Then what they have asked, find the 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. This is greater than minus 2. This is smaller than plus 2. This is plus 2. So what we write, that is 0. Then here 1. Then this is half. The first 0 half, then 1. Therefore this will become minus of and 1. So smaller than 2 they have asked. So this is the solution. What is the we had written, that is 1, then minus of 0, then of, then 1. And this is for question 3. This is the number line for question 3, and this is for question 6. So we move on to the question 7. What is the question 7? Find the 10 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. So we'll start the problem. That is 3 by 5 into, we have to multiply this by 4 by 4 to make the denominator equal. We'll get 12. 4 3s are 12. Then 5 4s are 20. Next is 3 by 4 into 5 by 5 is there. So we multiply this by 4, this by 5 by 5. This will become 15 by 20. So next is, let's see how many numbers come from between 12 and 15 we get, that is only one number, 13. So since they've asked 10, since they asked 10 numbers, we have to multiply it by greater number. So we'll just, I have checked with 6, but it's not possible. We move on to 8. So we will multiply both the numbers by 8. So we get this one as 96 by 160. Then this number is multiplied. Again we will take this one, that is 15 by 20 into 8 by 8 will become 120 by 160. So now we have to find the number between these two. That is 96. After 96 we get 97 by 160. Then 98 by 160. 99 by 160. 100 by 160, that is 37, 98, 99, 100, 101 by 160. These are the first, this is the 5. Then we will continue with the 6th one, that is 160, 120, 102, 103 by 160, then 104, 105, 106. So we should write the denominator 160, 160 and 160. So this is the solution for the question that is 5, 6, also 3 and 7. So subscribe my channel. Thank you.